بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our enrichment activities for the third year. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hdathi. So these are activities that targeted the information that you already have, or perhaps add more information to the one that we need to enhance or add information to. So let's start. Bismillah. In this lesson, inshallah, we will practice reading. So for this part, I need you to have your notebook, some pencils right next to you. We will use WH questions. We will go further and have more exercises regarding WH questions, and we will practice also writing. Okay, so we'll be reading and writing as well. For reading, I need you to sit in a quiet place so you can listen to me and read the word correctly. I highly recommend that you practice reading the words in your book over and over with someone right next to you. As I'm speaking or saying the words, I need you to listen to them carefully and repeat the words and the sentences after me. For the writing section, I need you to have your notebook and some pencils in order to copy or trace the one that you already have. Let's start, my dear student, with yes/no questions. What do I mean by yes/no questions here? Yes/no questions are the answer that requires the questions that requires the answer to be yes or no. Are you happy? Do you sleep early? Okay. Does he have a car? Yes, no. All these questions requires yes and no, but no information, right? So as you can see here, I have this chart. To your left, I have the the yes/no question with verb be. Am, is, are. So for these questions, they often start with am, is, are. Am I late? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. So as you can see, I have yes and no as an answers. Is he from China? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Are they happy? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. So as you can see here, I have the yes/no questions with verb be. We have the questions that start with am, is, and are, and the answers should be yes or no. Okay, let's have some exercises here. Are these ice creams, my dear student? Just give me a simple answer. Yes or no. Not full answer, simple answer. Are these ice creams? What do you think? The answer is yes. The answer is yes. Very good. How about the next picture? Is this healthy for you? Is this healthy for you? Is it? What do you think? The answer is no. No doctor will recommend this food for you. So here I have yes and no. But the most important is look at how we form the question. Are these ice cream? No information. Just simple yes or no. Is this healthy? Just give me yes or no as answers. How about this, my dear student? Now I have this boy in his bed, okay? Is he sick? No information. Just give me yes or no. Is he sick? What do you think? Yes, she is, or yes, he is. Now there's a trick. Shall we choose he or she? Very good. So the answer is yes, he is. Yes, he is. So let's read the question one more time. Is he sick? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Now, how about this girl? Look at the picture. Have the question and three options for you. Is she sad? Is she sad? Yes, she is. Yes, I am. No, she isn't. So we will drop the answer in the middle. So it's either the first one or the third one. Yes, she is, or no, she isn't. What do you think? Does she look sad? Yes, she is. Is she sad? Yes, she is. She is sad. Now I have two balloons here. Is it a black balloon? One question for two parts. Okay? Is this a black balloon? No, because as you can see, obviously it's white. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Or no, it's not. It's not a black balloon. Why, for the second one, yes, it is. Yes, it is. One question. Is it a black balloon? No, it isn't. Yes, it is. So these are the yes, no questions. I don't require any information, just yes or no in your answer. Now, here I have 4 questions with 2 options for the answers. Number 1, are they strawberries? Are they strawberries? What do you think, my dear student? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Now look at the picture. Are they strawberries? The answer is yes, they are. Yes, they are. Very good. Let's move to the next question. Is it an apple? Is it an apple? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Now look at the picture. Is it an apple, my dear student? The answer is yes, it is. Very good. Yes, it is. Moving to question number 3. Is it a boat? Is it a boat? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. What do you think? Is it a boat? Does it look like a boat? Yes, definitely. It is. It is. Yes, it is. Now, last question. Is it number 50? Is it number 50? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Can you see number 50 here? Actually, I can only see number 40, so no, it's not. No, it's not. As you can see here, my dear student, these kind of questions, we only answer them with yes or no, okay? But for WH questions, it requires information. What do I mean by that? Now, what do I mean by WH questions? These are the questions that start with the WH as the first letters. As you can see here, I have who, what, when, which, where, how, and why. Each question requires different answer, not yes or no, different kind of information I'm looking or I'm seeking by asking this question, okay? So for example, if I use who, then I'm asking for a person. Who is that boy? Okay? But if I'm using what, for example, I'm asking for a thing or an action. What is this? What is he doing? What is she eating? Okay? While if I'm using when, I need to know about the time. I'm asking about the time. When do you go to bed? When do you wake up? You will probably give me time. Now, as you can see, different information, okay? Where is often used with places. Where are you from? Where do you work? Where do you shop? Okay? Why? If I need the other person to give me the reason. Why is used with reason, something's happening. Why are you late? Because I was sick. Okay? How is often used if you want to know about the quantity or the number or how something is done. For example, if I ask you, how are you, my dear student? You will answer, I am fine. I hope you are fine. Now, let's take each question at a time. Starting with the question, who? Again, I use who to ask about a person, right? So let's read the example. Who is that boy? So if I use the WH word, who, the answer must be or must include person's name or a relationship. Okay? Who is that boy? My brother Tom. My dad. Who is your favorite football player? You will be giving me a person's name. Okay? So we often use who with people or with a person. Moving to the next one, I have where. So when do I use where or WH question where? If I want to know about the location or a place of something. Where is your book? Where is your book? Now let's read the answer. It is in the bag. Here I located the place of the book. It's in my bag. It's on the cupboard. It's under the bed. So here I locate or I give the location or the place of the book. Where are you from? I am from Saudi Arabia, and so on. So where, we use the where to ask about places. When, we use when to know if we want to know about the time. Let's read the question. When is the party? On Friday at 2 o'clock. So here I gave time. I use when to ask about the time. When do you wake up? When do you go to bed? When do you go to work? You will probably give me an answer that indicates a time. 6 o'clock in the morning, 5 p.m., Saturday evening, and so on. What is often used if I want to know about something, okay, or an action. What is on the table? So here I'm asking about something, right? What's on the table? There is a pencil. So here I have something. Pencil. What is that? That's my cat. What is that? That's a window. What are you doing? I am writing. So I'm asking about something, or I'm asking about an action, okay, by using the WH word what. Which, if I want to, specific. Which is your apple? So here I know it's an apple, right? But I have two apples. Which one is yours? Is it the yellow apple or the green apple? So I need the specific answer. Which one is yours? The green one. So I know it's an apple, but I need to know which apple is yours, okay? The green one. For why, as I told you before, I need a reason. Reason. Why are you late? Why are you late? Because I missed my bus. I missed my bus. So here I have a reason. I have a reason. Now, it's writing time. So for this one, I need you to prepare your pencils or pens, worksheet, so you can help me out doing the exercises that we are about to have. As you can see, my dear student here, choose. I have 5 questions, okay? And all these questions, I have also the answers for these questions. But I need your help to choose the correct WH word, okay? Let me help you with the first one. Color is your hair. It is black. So I'm asking about specific color. Okay, I know it's a color, but I need to know the specific color. So what do you think? What, where, when, who? The answer is, what color is your hair? What color is your hair? Okay, it is black. It is black. Very good. So I need your help to do, in order to do number 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you have to be very careful because you need to read the whole question and the answer as well, okay? In order to decide which WH word we are about to use. So for example, for number 2, are my glasses, okay? They are on your head. So here I locate the place of the glasses. They are on your head. So what do you think? Which WH word we are going to use? What, where, when, or who? The answer is where. So let's read the question. Where are my glasses? They are on your head. They are on your head. Very good, my dear student. How about number 3? Do you visit your friend? Do you visit your friend? The answer, on Sundays. I have time. I have days, right? So what do you think? What, where, when, who? Because I have a time, we will be using when. When do you visit your friends? On Sundays. On Sundays. Very good. Number 4. Is the Colombian president Mr. Duco? What do you think? What, where, when, who? I'm asking about the name of the president. So, who is the Colombian president? Very good, my dear student. Last one, number 5. Old is your father? He is 60. So what do you think? What, how, where, when? The question is, how old is your father? He is 60. How old is your father? He is 60. Very good, my dear student. Now let's have extra exercises. Now, remember, we might complete it with who, with where, with when, with what, with why, for example. But we have to read the whole thing and the answer as well, so we can decide. Is she? She is my sister. So I'm asking about a person here. What do you think? Who is she? Very good. Who is she? She is my sister. Number 2. Are they? They are in the kitchen. I have a place in the kitchen. So what do you think? Where are they? Very good. Where are they? They are in the kitchen. Number 3. Is it? It's a cupcake. I'm asking about something. A cupcake. What is it? It's a cupcake. Very good. Number 4. Is she from? She is from Italy. What do you think? I'm asking about a place, a country. Where is she from? She is from Italy. Very good. Number 5. Are they from? They are from Mexico. Similar to number 4. Where are they from? They are from Mexico. And number 6. Is the dog? It is in the garden. Place, location. Where is the dog? It is in the garden. Very good. Now, I have several questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I need you to help me with the complete answer. What is it? What are they? Who is he? What is it? Okay? For the first one, what is it? It's an apple. Next one, what are they? They are boxes. Next one, who is he? He is a boy. Question number 4, what is it? It is a pencil. We gave different answers based on the question we are using. Okay, now it's about to have some readings. For the reading part, I need you to listen carefully to me while I'm reading. Okay, let's start with the first one. Read the following passage and answer the question. As you can see, I have a small passage and I have 3 questions. Okay, I will zoom in for the passage. While I'm reading, I need you to listen carefully, okay, and then try to read with me. I have a friend. His name is Tim. Tim has a remote control car. We play with the car. Again, I have a friend. His name is Tim. Tim has a remote control car. We play with the car. Now, let's have the questions. As you can see, I have these questions. I have the questions to you on your left, and I have the passage to your right. Try to find out the answers for the question from the passage. Okay, so for number 1, I have A, a car, B, a friend, C, a pen. What do you think? I have what? The answer is I have a friend. I have a friend. Very good, my dear student. I have a friend. Number 2, his name is Tim, Tom, or Ben. What do you think? What is the answer here? His name is Tim. His name is Tim. Very good. His name is Tim. Number 3, Tim has a car, a friend, a pen. What do you think? Tim has a remote control car. So the answer is Tim has a car. Tim has a car. Very good. Very good, my dear student. You were able to find the answers from the passage. Now I have a different one. The clown is in a car. He likes his little car. The car can go fast. Okay, so I have just 3 lines and 3 questions. Let's read question number 1. The is in the car. A dog, a cat, a clown. What do you think, my dear student? The clown is in the car, so the answer is clown. Very good. A clown. Number 2. He likes his car, bus, van. What do you think? He likes his? He likes his car. Excellent. He likes his car. Number 3. The car is big, little, bus. What do you think? Does it look like a big car? No, actually it's a little car. Very good, my dear student. Very good. Also, I have this passage. Let's read the passage and then we'll be able to answer the WH questions that follow the passage. Let's read. I am a police officer. I work in a police station. I drive a police car. I like to help others. I help maintain order. I catch thieves. Let's read one more time. I am a police officer. I work in a police station. I drive a police car. I like to help others. I help maintain order. I catch thieves. Now I have all these questions. Let's try reading the first one. What profession are we talking about? What is his job? What is this man's job? Is he a doctor? Is he a teacher? He is a police officer. So as you can see, I have what? What? I'm asking about something. What is his profession? He is a police officer. Number 2, where? I need a place now. Where does he work, my dear student? Where does he work? He works at a police station. He works at a police station. Very good. Number 3, how? I have another question. How does he help others? How does he help others? He helps maintain order. He helps maintain order. Very good. Last question is a yes/no question. Do you want to be like him? Why? Yes, because he is a brave man. Yes, because he is a brave man and he is helping us. Now, what have we learned in this lesson, my dear student? We practice WH questions and also we practice the yes/no questions. We practice reading some passages and writing some answers. So that was my enrichment activities, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.